I am so back. Oh my God, what a ride. If you guys are part of my community, my tribe, and if you get my emails, check out tomorrow's email. I'm really stepping up my practices and creating a program for you guys, also a group program coming up because everybody needs help right now, and I am the guinea pig. But guess what? I am the warrior. I break through every time, and you can too. If I can do it, you can do it too. But anyway, yeah, I'm back. Man, oh man, almost 3 weeks of being really ill and having fear and all the crazy stuff that this intense time of energy is bringing up. You know, all the karmic stuff is coming to the surface, and you know, it's being called to be healed. And you can either freak out and get sick and run someplace to get help, or you can actually go within. And I know it's not a common, normal practice for people, but we're being called to a much deeper spiritual practice and alignment practice, and it is possible. Again, I could have been in the hospital many, many times. I could be on a lot of drugs. I could have had surgery right now, I'm sure. But I refuse to do it because you know what? I know, again, you know, like I said, if my arm's cut off and I'm bleeding to death, I'll call 911. Everything else is emotional, karmic, and I know that I know that I know deep within because I've been doing this practice and I'm called to authenticity. I'm called to a deeper alignment. That's what I teach people. I know that I'm being tested to do this in breakthrough so I can teach you how to break through as well. Okay, so check out your email inbox tomorrow. If you haven't signed up, go to my website, LisaWinstonAuthenticityCoach.com, and jump on my mailing list. But anyway, I will send you all the details tomorrow. Okay, what a ride. Talk to you guys soon. Bye now.